Hello, thanks for watching my channel all about fashion-forward haircuts. I would love it if you'd give it a like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In the next video, there will be even more new hairstyles. Please write in the comments which haircut did you like most.
Full and flirty. A bob cut is above time, it's elegant and classy. It's a good solution of transition from long locks to shorter hairstyles which are, however, not extremely short. Blonde bob with flared layered ends. Pair it with thin bangs and consider elusive highlights for a modern quirk. Tapered pixie with spiky crown. When you are older women, you want a hairstyle that requires minimal effort and won't need frequent trips to the salon. Choppy undercut pixie for women over 40. Short layers will retain the shape of the cut as it grows out. Two-tone long tapered pixie. Plus, it doesn't require much prep work in the morning, just brush and go. Voluminous dark blonde bob with bangs. Want to know how to style this look on your own? It's as simple as a wash and go. Long asymmetrical pixie for women over 40. Tousle your ringlets with a little bit of product to enhance the curl pattern. Medium to long style with curvy layers. Many short hairstyles for women over 50 can require some serious styling time. Sleek dark reddish brown bob. This haircuts is an ideal way to keep your hair very short and manageable with minimum styling. Shoulder length beauty. Just make sure you have a styling wax on hand to separate and define the shortest layers. Over 40 medium textured hairstyle. Pictures show that it tends to work best for ladies with naturally straight hair as the angle is further enhanced when your locks are styled smooth. Caramel blonde bob with dimensional layers. Short layers around the crown of the head are key for adding volume to your cut. Messy chocolate bob with blonde highlights. This is especially useful for ladies with a round face as the height will lengthen the overall shape. Choppy copper red undercut pixie. Adding some bold contrasting colors on the sides visually balances the volume on top. Long razored spiked pixie. When looking through hairstyles for older women, focus on those that don't make the face look too severe. The best bob for ladies over 40. As we age, our features become sharper, especially on slim women. Piece-wide tapered blonde balayage pixie. Layers in several different lengths feathered away from the face will help to add movement and soften facial features. Choppy rounded blonde bob over 40. Guess it would be nice to refresh your traditional haircut? Disconnected choppy wavy bob over 40. Try a trendy style. This option works great with fine straight hair and can be used to draw attention to your beautiful jawline. Short razored honey blonde bob. Often our hair will begin to thin as we age. Medium cut with long feathered bangs. When looking at images of short haircuts for women over 50, we notice that layers are a recurring feature. Voluminous medium layered hairstyle. The stacked lengths instantly add volume to the style. Honey brown hair with smooth layers. This is a blessing for women with fine hair. Trendy long bob for 40-year-olds. Mature women have the unique benefit of rocking platinum hair and still looking completely natural. Inverted light golden blonde lob. Such a striking color can really stand on its own with no variation of shade. Short stacked dark blonde bob. The cool tones will spotlight the workmanship that goes into the cut itself. Short hairstyle with bangs for ladies over 40. Shorter haircuts for older women with thick hair naturally feature lots of volume and texture. Warm toned root fade for ash blonde bob. You have an option of going even shorter without looking flat. Cute messy lob. Is it gray? Is it blonde? They will never know with this expertly blended ash tone hue. Perfect short blonde haircut. It is perfect for women who are low maintenance because it will cut down on the frequent need for touch-ups. Medium tousled hairstyle for fine hair. Hairstyles for women over 60 are usually on the shorter side, and a good short style is like this cut. Curly bob with blonde highlights. The great thing about this crop is that you can rock it with thick or thin hair. Blunt rounded bob with blonde balayage. Have your stylist cut choppy layers into the cut to help your hair fall nicely and smoothly. Cropped cutie. If you have short, curly hair, opt for tapered and blended layers that add volume in a controlled manner. Long blonde bob. In this photo, you can see how the different layers show off a variety of hues and form a beautiful shape of the cut. Beyond bedhead. Women's hair gets finer as we age, just like men's. A teased hairdo with volume at the roots gives the appearance of a thicker mane. Collarbone layered hairstyle for fine hair. Those flicked out layers and bangs also help to pump up her strands. Sassy side bang. Blonde beauty. Hairstyles for women over 60 should focus on showing off your beautiful face and working with the type of locks you have now. Curled and colored. The best haircuts don't try to change what you have, they rather enhance it.